Hello viewer, I am Moshad Ali. Today I am here to share you important tips about article. That means I want to share you some important things to equip or develop your condition and notion about article. We know a lot about article, but there is something that may be mistaken sometimes. So now let us enter into the class to keep us aloof from those mistakes. Heartily welcome to you all. Today we are going to enrich our knowledge having some tips of article. Okay, today our discussing topic is article. We know that there are two types of article. One is definite article, another is indefinite article. One is definite article and another is indefinite article. Okay. Now there is a gap to fill up for you. Try to fill up the gap below. Okay, A and N each type of article. That means what type of article? A and N. Number 2, the is article. What type of article? Okay, answer. Indefinite article. That means A and N is indefinite article. And number 2, the is definite article. Now we are going to learn about the origin of article. About the origin of article. The word or the letter A has derived from N and N has derived from on. A has derived from N and N has derived from on. Okay. And definite article the has derived from that. Definite article the has derived from that. Now we will know a short rule of article with example. Okay. Generally, A is used. Generally, A is applied or used before one, before one. That means if we find the word one, then we can use wisely a. Now let us watch a picture with example. That means at first try to watch a picture and then example. Okay, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Okay, it is clear that he's a lame man or one-legged man. He's trying to limping. Now we are going to see the example with this lame man or related to this lame man. Okay, example. It is very tough to work for a one-legged man. It is very tough to work for a one-legged man. That means a has been applied or has been used before one. If you find one, and then we can use a. Let us watch another picture with example. This is a one-eyed man. This is a one-eyed man having only one eye. Okay. Now we are going to see an example related to a one-eyed man. I saw a one-eyed man riding on a horse. I saw a one-eyed man riding on a horse. Okay. If you notice any vowel or vowels at the very beginning of a word, and if it pronounced or uttered just like you, then a is used before that kind of word. Okay. The word may be just like of them: European, uniform, university, unique, etc. Now let us watch a picture and example. Okay, what do you see? This is a U. This is a U. Okay, we are going to see now an example related to this U. I have a U, but the woman has many. I have a U, but the woman has many. Before U, a will be applied. We are going to watch another picture and another example. This is the Charcham Drechanator. Okay, so we are going to see an example related to this dress. Example: I want to purchase a uniform for my school going girl. I want to purchase a uniform for my school going girl. That means before uniform we can use as article a. Again, we will see another picture and another example. This is a picture of a flat. This is a picture of a flat. Okay. Now we are going to see an example related to flat. I expect to construct a unique building like this. That means before the word of unique, a is applied. Now we are going to see another picture and example. This is a picture of a university. This is a picture of a university, and one student is trying to patch. Okay, now let's see the example. This is a university. So before the word of university is used as article. A is used as article. We know before any meal, the is not used as article. Before any meal, the is not used as article. But for special meal, the is used. Let's see. Okay, we see some people are eating. Maybe they are eating in a wedding ceremony. So now we are going to see an example related to this picture. Example: the wedding dinner was very admirable. Here, the wedding dinner is very special. That's why the is used. Now, exercise for you. You have to fill up the gap for your practice. Okay. Here I have given you A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Try to practice it. Okay.